So next topic is uniform and non-uniform motion. What is uniform motion? So uniform motion is something like an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Suppose you take this. See here, clearly you can observe here that a car is moving from A point to the B point. So here we have divided time, that is 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. 1 kilometer it can able to cover 1 kilometer in 5 minutes, 1 kilometer in 5 minutes and 1 kilometer in 5 minutes. An object can able to cover equal distance in equal interval of time is nothing but uniform motion. So for the uniform motion, the curve is in straight line because it covers here 5 minutes in 1 kilometer, 2 minutes in 5 minutes and 3 kilometer in another 1 kilometer in another 5 minutes. So that's why it has got a straight line. The graph is not curved here. But when it comes to a non-uniform motion, when it comes to a non-uniform motion, here we 5 minutes, 5 minutes and 5 minutes, and here 1 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 2 kilometer. See here, what you can observe here means, see, an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. Okay, this is nothing but your non-uniform motion. Like suppose you take any traffic jam, if there is a huge traffic jam or something happens, so you cannot cover equal distance in equal interval of time. So here it can cover 1 kilometer in 5 minutes, another 3 kilometer in again 5 minutes, 2 kilometer in 5 minutes. So here what you can say totally means an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time is nothing but your non-uniform motion. So the graph will be like this. This is not straight. Here x-axis, this is x-axis, it is time, and y-axis this is distance. So this is a non-uniform motion. So the graph is non-uniform. The graph has got a curve. So this is nothing but uniform and non-uniform motion. Okay, next we'll move on to next we will discuss about speed, velocity and acceleration. So how do you calculate speed? Speed, you can say some objects you can are able to identify that some are moving very fast, some are moving very slow. So how do you calculate this? Suppose you can calculate like total distance traveled of an object divided by time taken. So speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Speed is equal to distance travelled divided by time taken. So what is the distance travelled? Distance is in kilometer. What is the SI unit? Distance is in kilometer, and hours, time, it is always in second. So always in meters, meter. So speed, the SI unit is nothing but meter per second. Speed, the SI unit of speed is meter per second. So now let's take one example like how to calculate speed. A car is moving, covering so much of distance like 150 kilometer, and in hours means you can say it is 2 kilometers. 2 hours. Suppose you are supposed to calculate speed now. An object is covering 150 kilometer distance in 2 hours time. What is the speed of a vehicle? See now, what is the distance? It is 150 kilometer divided by 2 hours, because it is in kilometer, it is in hours, it's okay. Now if this is in meters, if this is in hours, you need to convert into seconds, but both are in standard form, no need to convert into a least form here. Okay, CGS unit. Now divided by 2. So 2 sevens are 14 and 2 fives are 10. So speed is equal to 75 kilometer per hour. So speed is equal to 75 kilometer per hour. This is how we can calculate speed of a vehicle. Okay, I hope you understand this part. Next is nothing but average speed. So how to calculate average speed? How do you calculate average of all those things? Suppose 2 km, 3 km, 4 km, 5 km. You will add everything in a given time. 1 km what time? 2 km what time? 3 km what time? You will add all time. You will add all distance, right? So average speed. So average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. Total distance divided by total time. Suppose you say that it covers total distance like 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, means what it is? 3 plus 2 5, that is 6 kilometer totally. And here what is the time means 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour you take. So again it is 5 hours. So it is nothing but average speed is equal to, suppose it is 1 point something you will get. So this is nothing but your average speed. Average speed, the formula is total distance travelled divided by total time taken. Okay, I hope you understand this part. If you have any doubts, please come back to me. Okay, we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you, children.